When it comes to the summer season, this generally means holding different events such as barbecues, going to the beach, and so much more. However, it also means that it's time to complete home renovation projects that you may have previously planned for this time of year. Even if no repairs are actually needed, the summer season is always considered to be a great time of year to improve the overall look of your home. One popular summer home renovation is refurbishing both your porch and your walkways. The conditions that come alongside colder weather can wreak havoc on both of these areas. Also, steps that are either broken or warped can also turn into real hazards. Both of these areas should always be refurbished in order to ensure that they are kept attractive, functional, and as safe as possible to use. For more popular summer renovations, as well as real estate information in the Weatherford, Texas area, visit us online at wrteamrealty.com or by calling us at 817-598-0988.